All right. So we're off to the third section. I'd like you to write the following notes on the staff according to the clef indicated. Please use a whole note for each response and include accidentals as indicated. Remember, when writing notes on the staff, the accidentals always placed to the left of the note. Okay. So in this case, this is very much related to what we've talked about before in terms of note naming. Okay, so we're just doing it in a slightly different way. I'm asking you to write out the note on the staff. Notice that there are two clefs. These first five are associated with the treble clef, the next five associated with the bass clef. You can place your note anywhere you'd like that is still a C, for example, here, so any octave, that's what I mean. So you might have different possible answers, and we've talked about that in class already. So for example, to write a C, okay, F-A-C-E, for example, if you want to just use that third space, right, you can just write a whole note here. Okay. Remember, when you're writing a whole note, either on the space or the line, the note on the note that is supposed to be on the space should fill up the entire space. The note that's on the line should only be associated with that line. So, for example, for the C, don't do that. That's too big. Okay, and then also if it's a E sharp, the correct answer could look like this. Okay, the sharp sign or flat sign should be to the left. Please don't do something like this, right? Because that's also too big and it's unclear what note it is. Okay, so it should be very, very clear whether a note is on the space or in a line. Also, again, when you're writing notes with accidentals, that's say flats or sharps, the sharps and flats, go to the left of the note, okay, and they should be lined up in the middle with the note. Okay, so spoiler alert, if you want to work on this before you see the answers, you can stop the video now, but otherwise I will give you some possibilities of answers for this exercise. So for the B flat, okay, so you could do the B flat here, okay, or of course you can also do up an octave, for example. E sharp, I gave you one of them, or you could have done this E sharp right there. A flat here or here. D, these are a few different Ds. Okay. F, so now we're in bass clef. Okay, so an F here, an F here, E flat, E flats here, also here. A sharp, can do it here or here. Last two, B. There are two B's here in the bass clef, and also D. There's actually three possible Ds, each one having one ledger line. Okay, so make sure you review this, and then I'll see you in the next video to go over the next section.